and today we're going to do a diary in the form of a scrapbooking. I'm doing this because I know a lot of people are knocked down and they don't know what to do, they're bored, then they can start a diary what looks like an scrapbooking. And yeah, I hope you learn a lot from this. I can tell you this video is not sponsored, and yeah, let's start. Now we can start. I just forgot to tell you, I'm not going to put any photos in my diary. You can put them and I'm not going to put it. We start by telling what's the best of these two. I bought that to Club Mickey in Belgium, and this is with Carol, and you can't do this a diary. I mean, it's more for school and everything. I wanted to show you because I'm still gonna do something inside. This is from Hema, and this is nothing. It's more better to express yourself and leave to do yourself, and you don't need to be on a specific line. Yeah, then you're gonna do with this one. Move this one away, and you're gonna start by putting my name or the scrapbook. These things are like pens, but it's friction colors. It's the new ones. I can start by saying my journal. That's the first thing you can do. You can even put your name there, and I'll put my name. There's a lot of things you can do, like with feathers and everything. I'm gonna start by doing something on the side to knock out all the color, and I'm gonna start by doing this. This is a paper we can put there, or you can cut and do half-half. And I'm gonna cut it on more nice scissors. I'm gonna do half-half. Like you can do there, and you can put something there, you know. And I'm gonna put that with this glue. You can put it with Vids or Uhu. I'm going to do now Uhu. Like you know, this Uhu is a bit scratched, and you're gonna put it everywhere on the page. There you go. Now put it where you want. Nice. Pushing it, not that it goes off after 1 minute. Not that what I always do. Then do the other one. I can tell you with Vids it's a bit more difficult, but it's better with Uhu because then it stays more longer on it, and you can keep your thing. I'm gonna start like by taking paper, like a colorful paper. I have this 20-page colorful paper, what I really like, and I'm gonna start by doing like this, something peps, like, ooh, pink, that's a nice one, no? And I'm gonna start by doing like a little rectangle, and then I can write something or do a nice little image. Put that a little on the side. Do like this big, and I can do it like here or something, and put stickers on it to hold it. I'm gonna put like these stringy things. It's really nice actually. And voila, it helps good actually. Put on the side. Do it like this. You can do what you want, but I'm gonna show you how to do it nicely. Voila, I did one, and I'm gonna do with the other one. This one I really like because it says smile on it. And it's what you have to do. Smile in the life. yeah, you take a little and then you, like I did with the other one. And you put on the other side. And I'm gonna white, like, I'm gonna take one of the new ones is of Big Intensity. It's like it's like a bluey green, and I'm gonna like say, I talk about something, like you can say my cat or something. Cat, rule, like, or something like this. I like. You can also decor and white. I do flowers. These are actually very good. You can really take them as stubby. You can do fun things, you can do hard things, you can do like, yeah, this is a little flower. And like, you can then white and put something, you can, I'm gonna do with this blue sparkly, what I very like. Do the little contour. If we do that like this, we do this side. You can do a lot of creations, like I took a lot of things out, because with a scrapbooking you can do everything. Everything. It can be an album photo, it can be a diary, and it can be a notebook, it could be a school thing, and it could be your own scrapbooking, actually. And that's because of scrapbooking you can reveal all your things and everything. It's nice. You're gonna put on the side like this. It's very nice, like. And you put like, we can put a little thing. These are like different, like to do and everything. I like it. You can do like my house. These are glitter wallers. They're very good. They're glittery and everything. I have orange, blue, yellow, pink, green, and mauve. And I can like put stickers. I have these stickers, but I'm not gonna put them. I can put them in my box of stickers. My wonderful box of stickers. It has a lot of stickers inside. What I very like, and I'll take a Barbie one, like this one, and you can put that there or something. I like you want actually. I'm gonna put like an elephant, a decor everything, pink elephant there, it's a nice one. And you can put my house, you can speak about it, and I'm gonna show you another thing. It's as well like paper for the background or to do notes. It's like a glitter one. I like it actually. This one. And you can do like I said, it's easy to cut. It's very easy. It's very fine, everything. You can put like a little thing here where you can put glue on it. This time I'm gonna use Put because it's better, I found. And my Put already has glitter on it. It stays still, I found. And you can put then a little paper, a blue one, on it. What has a little the same size, like a little smaller, and you can put it on it like this. Then you can do like a different thing. It doesn't stay really. I mean, after when you write on it or you do something, it's better. But I'm gonna still put this. Then it's better secured and everything. It's better to do everything correctly than do everything wrong. Do a little piece. It's very important to do all details. You can do things, special things. You can do exciting things. You can do modern things. You can do everything actually. And I'm gonna white like with my one of the new ones. This is a orange one, a really bright one. It's a new one. I love it. I can say like, my house is big, has nice rooms, and do a little design of my house like this. House number on it, and you can do things like this, and something else you can really do is you can put plumes on it. Like, you can put plumes on the side like this. I love it. Super. I do it on here like this. Normally it stays if you put it properly on it, but I think it has a little problem there. You can do like decorations and everything. Yeah. Like you say, you can do exactly this. You can even put photos. I like putting photos on my journals and everything. You can write something here. And yeah, that was the scrapbooking. And I was just a few minutes after, I'm gonna show you a little what you can do inside there. The next book, I'm gonna do here mostly drawings and writings. I'm gonna, well, my best, I can't do really nice, but still I would try. Like, I can put like a date, like my birthday at 18. You can put like something there, and then you can do nice drawings. I'm gonna put like, do a person. It's what I can do actually. It's very nice. I can draw myself. This is really a lighter yellow, what I haven't seen before I bought it. I can do like nice drawings here. Like this, and I can do like me. And you can draw your family, like you can draw my dad or something. Dad. This one I can do like this. I can do a lot of drawing things. I like these ones because you can do everything, nothing, and yeah, you can. I like doing like doing big numbers like this. My dad. This is what I like doing. I can do it very well. And you can do like notes, you can even do agenda, like I'm putting like to do here on the side. Monday, Monday, start new video or something like this. And you can do like a timetable. That's what I like doing. Normally like Monday Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And you can do like here one thing, here one thing, here, and you have to timetable, school, work, relax, video. And you can do a whole timetable, and yeah, that was my book. I want to quickly show you the front of the book because you couldn't really see it here, feathers, and on the other one, this is super funny, my dog's favorite book because it's like a dog fair. Voila. That was my video. Thank you for watching, and I hope my tips and tricks helped you to do your own diary. All day today is a big thank you to my dad. It was so nice to film this video on my stylist, and a big thank you to all hospitals who helped us so well in this period. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to follow my cat on Instagram. Bye!